We got here a 1999 Chevrolet Silverado. Do a walk around, just show y'all the sound. Got a Hyphonics amp. We got a audio tech sub and a virtual tech ported box. And I got a Lanzar Vibe going to the highs and mids, and the doors and the pillars.
I went from old school Chevy to drop top Porsche. You couldn't walk a mile off in my Air Force. And you ain't seen what I seen. I can get 100,000 in these Sean John jeans. I went from old school Chevy to drop top Porsche. You couldn't walk a mile off in my Air Force. And you ain't did what I did. When you from where I'm from, you gotta get how you live.
And this does dim the lights in the truck. I'm gonna do another video during the day so you can see the mirrors vibrating. It's dark now, so you can't see them, obviously. But during the day, you can see the mirrors vibrating, and you probably won't be able to tell on camera, but the glass flexes and the roof sheet metal flexes. And even though I have a capacitor, it's right there. Even though I have that capacitor, that still doesn't keep the lights from dimming. It really should, but there's a corroded wire on my truck going from the battery to the wiring harness, and that's causing everything to be shitty. Like my windows will roll up real slow and shit like that, even when the truck's running. See, the truck's running right now, the light's still dim. But other than that wire, there's nothing wrong with this truck. But yeah, that's a video of my sound system. Y'all just wait for the next one. I'm gonna do another video during the day. And please leave positive comments, and if you have any questions about the system or the truck, just feel free to shoot me an email or send me a comment on YouTube.